Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again here with CleanGuru. Have you ever noticed in your day times when folks aren't really being genuine with you? I go to this gym on a regular basis, and like a lot of the customers that leave, when I leave, there'll be a person that might mumble very quickly, say, "Oh, have a good day." Yeah, that was "see you later, have a good day." Now, that doesn't make them bad people, but it does come across as very much, I know they don't care. I mean, they didn't really mean it. And of course, during this, they're not looking at me, they're looking away. So you realize it's just something they were told they have to do. They'd have been better off kind of not doing that. It didn't mean anything to them, and it kind of takes away from the relationship. But, right, it's a lesson for all of us. So when we're talking to a customer or to an employee, we'd be better off not saying something if we're just kind of, just throwing it off without really meaning it and connecting with them. But on the other hand, it's a great opportunity, because if with every employee, every cleaner, every client, we really are real and genuine in the moment of trying to help that customer, to help the employee, building little kindnesses and little relationships one by one, over time, that's a whole lot of good relationships that are built on really trying to be real with people. So it's an opportunity. I'm sure you run into a lot of these. I'm sure you have your own examples of the very thing that happens to me too. So till next time, though, do remember that you can do this. You really can.